आंटी बोलती है. Dear student, today I am going to teach you articles. What are articles? Articles are a, an, and the are the articles. There are 26 letters in alphabet. All of you know that. How many letters are there? There are 26 letters. A, E, I, O, U are vowels and the other letters are consonant. All of you know that A, E, I, O, U are called vowels. And except these words, all rest words are called consonant. We use a before singular nouns which begins with a consonant sound. Means A means one. So it is singular noun. When there is singular noun, book, rat, tiger, boy. These are singular things. When these are singular things and start with consonant. So we will write here A. Means जो words consonants के साथ start होते हैं, singular होते हैं, उनके आगे हम A लगाते हैं. Here we use an before singular noun which begins with a vowel sound. Here is the word an. We are using this word with when these words start with vowels. An ant, an egg, an umbrella. These words first letter is vowel. U, E, A. So we will adding here an. It's mean जो words vowel से start होते हैं उनके आगे हम an लगाते हैं. Write a or before these noun. A teacher, an orange, a train. I had already written here few words. Let us practice how we are using a or an. Teacher, it starts with T. It is consonant, so we will write here A. Ox, O, it starts with vowel, so we will write here an. T start for consonant, so we will write here A. Arm, A is, so we will write an. O is vowel, so we will write here an. B is consonant, so we will write here A. समझ में आया कि कॉन्सोनेंट के आगे हम A लगाते हैं और वोवेल्स के आगे हम N लगाते हैं. The is used after a particular person, place, animals and things. Particular person. When we are talking about a particular person, not a common person. Example, Mahatma Gandhi. He was a particular person because everybody knows him. Just like a place, animals and things are also comes. We use the when the same noun is used again in the sentence. Here is the example. I bought a bag. The bag is very nice. Here bag is again repeated. When the noun is same repeated one or two times, then we will write before noun the. Means एक वर्ड अगर दोबारा यूज होता है तो उसके आगे हम द को लगाते हैं. द इज यूज व्हेन देयर इज ओनली वन थिंग ऑफ इट्स काइंड्स. व्हेन वी आर राइटिंग मैनी थिंग्स बट इट इज अनदर काइंड, they are not in same family, same kind, so we will write here for separating them the sun. Here is sun, we are talking about sun, so we will write here the moon, the अर्थ द. यहाँ पे सन, मून और अर्थ अलग अलग चीजें हैं, सो इनके आगे हमने द लगाया है. वी ऑल्सो यूज द विद द EST फॉर्म ऑफ एडजेक्टिव. EST where we will add with its superlative degree. So where there any word will come with EST, we always add the. She is the kindest girl I know. Here is the kindest word. काइंडनेस में सबसे ज्यादा दयालु कौन है? ये लड़की है. इसके लिए हमने काइंडेस्ट वर्ड के आगे EST because he has added, so we will write here the. The is before the name of rivers, famous books, momentums and directions. Means river, all of you know, Ganga, Yamuna, such kinds of rivers, and famous book, Bible, Ramayana, Taj Mahal, Gate of India, direction east, west, north, south. The Taj Mahal. It is a there is no need to define it. All of you know this momentum, so we will write here the. क्योंकि ताजमहल को किसी की परिचय की जरूरत नहीं है. रामायण, here it is a sacred book, and Bible. Ganga is a river, Yamuna is also river. North and east both are showing direction, so in the direction we will also add the. So in the end of this video, I want to tell you that please read this chapter 2 or 4 times and try to understand it. Thank you.